I'm on my daily, baby. What? I know you love it, baby. Yeah, Slim. What's Young J? O-C.
Good morning. Are we recording yet? Good morning, y'all. It is day 3. Take a look at day 2. I never count the first day that we actually leave the port of Galveston, or the area in which we leave this, you know, for the cruise. But we at Cozumel, and this is the ship. Huge, so nice. Guess who was late? Us. Second day in a row. We ain't shit. Excuse my French, but we just not. We was giving Chantal and Nadine, I'm sorry, not Nadine, Chantal and her family and Rob so much grief, and look at us. Can't get it together. Or off the toilet. Either one. But we're trying to book it to meet our cruise excursion for 9:30. I think it's like 9:20 right now. So we gotta get from here to there, the white building area, so we can actually meet the people who are holding their signs to take us to our beach escape. So we will come back once we're there. Y'all pray for us, because it's been a journey already. Peace. Or see you soon. Baby, I just want to come in and go ahead and give you an update. Look at Serenity. We just want to be like her. She has all the tricks in life. Okay? Block yourself. Put the blue blockers on. Block yourself.
Eres fuiste y será lo que mi cora nunca soltará. No estás muy presente, pero en mi mente dejaste una marca permanente. Dime qué haces, hoy bajé pa'l casa. De roce dando vueltas por ahí, con la ilusión de verte y decirte: oye, ma, tú eres mi dilema, el fuego que me quema.
We made it. So it's just a Jubilee here. Babe, don't come in front of me. Don't come in front of me. Don't come in front of me like you always do. Like you don't, he don't have no regard.
That's the Wi-Fi. Here. Come on, take a picture of that. That's the Wi-Fi you can use. That look like that'll be fun.
Like the glass boat.
I missed my phone. I don't have my
Where is that? The room? We need to go find us a chair. What's the ring? It smells so good. Oh, look at the zip line. That's the zip line and the obstacle course. No.
Massage.
Oh, no thank you. The relic for one. The way is strong.
That's cold.
It's cold. You gotta get acclimated in that water. So you can. Ooh, some rock. It's like you like seep in the ground. All right, 3. Right here. That's where it gets. That's where it gets hard at. Right here. You better? There we go. Now I'm good. Alright. I got you. I got you, baby.
You feel good.
Feel good.
Yeah.
You just gotta dip your body to
Yeah, it was very much necessary.
yeah.
I'm not going to further. You know that, right?
No, I'm just saying, just dip your body like this.
I'm good. I did that right here when the water splashed me out.
You coming out, Jake?
It's very cold. Here come the waves.
Come on. Oh, come on, boy.
He's screaming. You gotta be careful, those rocks are so slippery.
Yeah, I know. The water's so clear. Come on.
That wave knocked my ass out when I was up here. Yes.
It's nice, man. They got the jet skis. Yeah. So it does.
It's like paradise. Except the rocks right there.
Yeah. Feels so good, y'all. Oh.
I just need to dip in for a second. Oh, that air feels so good. My little boobs.
Can you see that? See that?
They got my baby out there. King with his slippy hands gonna take the baby out there. I knew that wasn't gonna work. She gonna cry instantly because that water is cold. But she needed just to go ahead and put her feet in, because as long as you put your feet in, your body starts to cool down. It feels really, really good. But King don't listen to me. I think this is the perfect beach for adults. I don't think that this is kid friendly because it's so rocky over here. Beautiful, beautiful water. It's an experience that we had the first time we came here, and we was like, we want everybody to come, but like practically, it's just not a feasible beach for kids. It's so rocky, so rocky, and the wave, like the entrance of the beach, is like 0 to waistline real quick, you know. So it's not a gradual. Oh, let me get in here. Let me get myself in. 0 to depth, you know. But it's gonna work out. It's still a good, comfortable beach. Very nice atmosphere. The chairs are super cheap. Well, actually, the chairs are free. The umbrellas are $5 with the back, with the cushion backs. It's really nice.
Can I get a rum punch?
Thanks, sweetheart.
Hi, my baby girl. Uncle King tried to get you again, huh? Come here. Come here, my baby. Come here. All right, we back at it. We got our drinks. They got a, what you call that?
Second.
A Dos Equis with a lime. You gonna drink that? You gonna eat that lime? He gonna use it. Trey got his drink. As soon as the drink came, he went back in the water. It's crazy. The gang's all here. You see him in the back? Look at Serenity holding that drink down. Serenity is deep in the cup. You see Serenity with the cup, Chantel? Oh, big girl. You're such a big girl. Oh, my baby girl.
Hey, Mama. What you said a fish was, son? By the rock?
By the rock. Like a little super duper.
Okay. All right, how you doing? All right.
You were more to me than it might have seemed. Try to bring it back, was it just a dream? Yeah. You could see the sun in the wintertime, yeah. But I don't feel the heat like it used to be. But you were everything I need.
There's a lot of fish in there.
Baby, you missed it. A bird shitting on Robert. Serenity was having a conniption fit. RJ could not stop laughing. Serenity could not stop laughing. And I told Robert that's good luck, baby. He's gonna be blessed for life. This is literally a reality show by itself. We just gotta keep the camera rolling on him. You know?
A few moments later. São Paulo, tudo contigo,